Hey everyone, welcome back to Off-Road On Point. Today we are taking our 2021 Jeep Wrangler and Jeep Gladiator on an adventure through the beautiful Ozark Mountains. We're about to hit some rugged terrain, showcase our Jeep's off-roading capabilities, and share a few tips and tricks along the way. It's going to be an awesome ride, so buckle up. We are both riding in style today, and each of our Jeeps has been set up for this off-roading trip. So today I am driving my 2021 Jeep Wrangler with a 2.5-inch lift kit and 35-inch mud grappler tires. Now my husband is rolling in a 2021 Gladiator with too many mods to list in this video. But we will be doing a future video featuring all of his upgrades. He has a 3.5-inch lift kit with 38s. He also has a Smitty built 10,000-pound winch. That and recovery boards are a necessity for any off-roading adventure. And of course, we both carry full first aid kits in case of emergency. Now, when you're off-roading in places like this, you've got to be prepared for everything. One key to remember is to always engage four-wheel drive when tackling mud or climbing steep hills. And it's crucial to keep your momentum steady without gunning the throttle too much, especially in rocky sections. I personally love how my Wrangler handles those steep, rocky trails, but I have to admit the Gladiator definitely holds its own, especially with that longer wheelbase, making it super stable even on the uneven terrain. Now, I want to take a minute and chat about two essential off-roading tips for those of you who are new to the trails. Tip number one, lower your tire pressure. When you're off-roading, especially in rough terrain like this, make sure to lower your tire pressure to around 15 to 18 psi. This gives you better traction and helps you absorb the impact of the rough terrain. Now, tip number two,